I'd like to welcome everyone to this episode of the ProWheelBuilder help tutorial. This particular help tutorial is covering how to use the shipping calculator. Many people constantly ask us, do we ship to Germany or do we ship to Singapore or various other places in the world? And in most cases the answer is yes. However, I'm going to real quickly show you how you can view the ship calculator, which will help you determine what the postage rate will be. We're going to start by browsing up to a product. So in this case I'm going to pick a rim. And we'll go with the Cobra. And I'm just simply adding this item to the cart. Pick my drillings, rim size, and rim tape. Add the item to my cart. Once the item is in the cart, I can scroll down here to our estimate shipping and tax. I'm going to pick Germany in this case. Excuse me. And we'll pick the postal code. And then we're going to get a quote. And here, for postal code 12345, we get a rate of $57.96 through United States Postal Service. It's that simple. Hopefully everybody, if they have any other questions, will direct them to our feedback page, in which case we'll be happy to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you again for viewing this episode of the ProWheelBuilder help tutorial.